Hello, good day, my future employer. My name is Nichelle Kataytay. I am 35 years old. I am single, no kids from the Philippines. I have graduated vocational in college. I have experience working here in the Philippines as a nanny for more than 6 years. I also have experience working abroad, which is in Oman, 2 years, 2 years in Saudi Arabia, and 2 years in Hong Kong, where I cared for a toddler. I am confident in performing full nanny's duties, including childcare, meal preparation, bathing, grooming, maintaining routines, and ensuring safety at all times. I also enjoy playing educational activities to support learning and development. I am patient, trustworthy, hardworking, and I will treat your child with love and care as my own. Thank you so much.